Today is raining, and guess what we're using? Yep, this is it. No, it's not one of those trash bag things, all right? This is it. Come on now, another day. 5:30, get up. Let's go. Woo! Yeah. Get up. It's the warm up. Woo! It's the warm up. Come on. You can do this. It's the warm up. Fight it. It's the warm up. You're ready. Let's go. Hey, this is a lesson I learned through life, and man, I want to share with you. It's such an amazing feeling. One thing, do it for a week, just right now. One thing, tell yourself, no excuse. This is me, no more excuses, not in my DNA. Man, those beds are nice, I know. Those beds are nice and comfy. Inside the house, it's nice and warm, not like this. Woo, it's freezing. But you know what? No excuse. Right now, I can make a ton of excuses. It's raining. I have no rain jacket, but still, I got something. There's no excuse. Don't do it to yourself. You know what happened when you do yourself? Oh man, you just got that uneasy feeling. It's like you're beating on yourself over and over again. And you can't get back up because you're the one who's beating yourself up. There's no excuse. Don't get out, no more excuse. I don't know what it is that's blocking you, that's making those excuses for you. I don't know, but I know one thing. I know you got it. It's not in your DNA. So, no more excuse. You can do it. Come on now. To your success. That's right, to your success. Do it. It's the process. Woo!
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. No, I just wanna say hello into whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight. Let's make a hit and run, do it for fun. They can't hold on forever, so just say hello. Yeah, we'll be going all night. 9 to 5 with all of the hustle. We wanna get away. Another day of beg, steal and borrow, and that is safe to say. No, they don't pick us up, instead they knock us down, and that's the way it goes until we're in the ground. I don't wanna do this anymore. Hey. No, I just wanna say hello into whatever I like.
You're ready. You always do this. You always do it. It's it. Chase after your goals, your dreams. Chase after your goals, your dream, whatever it is. Come on now. Come on now. We always do this. We always do it. Your goals and dreams. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. Come on, you can do it.
Instead they knock